Is it just me, or when you're waiting for a 10 a.m. restaurant to open, time seems to pass like this? We better find something to do in the meantime. I walked by, there was nobody here. It wasn't like anybody standing in line or anything. All right, morning everybody. I've been waiting all morning, been watching the clock tick just for this place to open up. We've been in Chiang Mai a few days now, but always miss it, always have the timing wrong. But we're here today. It's Khao Soi Khun Yai. It's sandwiched between two temples. It's a great place where you can get a quick meal, and noodles are covered in these fried crispy noodles, which I love. And I've ordered Khao Soi Noodle, which is like 35 baht. I think her regular Khao Soi with chicken is 30 baht, and I hear that that's sold out normally about noon. Khao Soi Noodle with beef is what Nua means. It's actually a little more difficult to find. So I've been craving that and want to give it a try. I'm most excited to see how the level of spice compares to what I tried in Chiang Mai. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the broth is rich, kind of creamy, definitely sweet, like it should be. Has a tad of spice to it. You may want to add some extra chili flakes if you want to bring out that flavor a little bit more. This is definitely a place you want to get to early because, yeah, it'll be packed very soon. I'm digging it. The beef is tender. The noodles are actually like a great texture. Not what I was expecting. Perfect length, not too long. See if I can find you guys a chunk of beef. The chunks aren't too big, but yeah, not overdone, not tough. It's really what I'm looking for. Very strong candidate for a good khao soi. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything else to it. All the stuff that makes your breath smell good. And some chili. Okay, that's it for my recommendation today. Just a quick hit on Khao Soi Khun Yai. I think it's a great place. Yeah, come and check it out. Really easy to get to, but you want to be here early. You want to be one of the first couple of people in here. Same thing for those temples and all the temples in Chiang Mai. It's a tourist city, so you gotta go early. You gotta get out of the house. You may even be like me, like waking up, watching the clock to know when these places open. So hey, see you later. I'm gonna finish my noodles and I'll see you in the next episode.